Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for February 28, 2019. Welcome, everyone. If you look at the coin market cap, we're at 130 billion. Basically, $500 million has come in the last 24 hours. And if we look at the volumes, we are at 27.8 billion. Bitcoin is at $3,800 right now, 38.57 to be exact on coin market cap. And we'll come back what's doing on Bitstamp, but it should be around this $3,800 level. You can see a mixed bag, basically 2% up or 1% down, something like this. EOS is up 3.2%, doing $3.58. And if we look at Binance Coin, up 3%, doing $9.91. The coins which have done very well are ABBC Coin, 27%, Nexo 18%, and Raven Coin 17%. The coin which have done not that well are Decentraland 15% down, Bitcoin SV 5% down, ARK 5% down. Now if we look at the charts, we can see basically Bitcoin is just hovering around this $3,800 level. The stochastics are meeting each other again, so there could be a reversal coming in. Let's see how it is. We could see some downward trend basically towards this 50-day moving average and the relative strength index at 53%. Now the news comes from Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak spoke at Bitcoin on the Bloomberg event just 2 days ago, and he addressed the topics ranging from AI to machine learning to Bitcoin and how it will become the world's reserve currency. So Woz basically said that he doesn't have a lot of Bitcoin. He bought it to understand how the system works, which is fair enough, but more importantly, he's quite bullish on the outlook for Bitcoin. So thumbs up for that. The next news is from Russian President Putin orders his government to adopt crypto regulation by July. So Russia has been kind of in a gray area, not really taking a stance traditionally, but they want to put regulations for digital assets industry according to their Federal Assembly. Now, a lot of people like programmers who are in Russia are getting paid obviously in cryptocurrencies because it's much easier, and the Russian ruble is really devaluated after a couple of years now. All right, the next and last news comes from China. China's new crypto ranking, upgrading Bitcoin, Tron debuts near top. So every quarter, there is a Chinese central information and industry development team by the Ministry of Industry and Information, which basically releases every quarter a list what is going on with the top projects basically. Now if you look at this, basically what we can see, EOS was #1 and still is #1, but Tron is the #2 in this whole ranking, so which is really phenomenal to see. We have Ethereum, GX Chain, BitShares, Ontology, Nulls, Lisk, and Bitcoin at number 13. But Bitcoin also, got a big jump basically for these in this list of 35. What remains basically very, very strange is the fact that cryptos are not regulated, or exchanges are forbidden basically. But if you look at what they are looking at, they more are looking at the technology side, but they do a ranking by saying that what they are according to their own index basically. So I think it's always good to see what China is doing, as they have a lot of purchasing power in the world. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.